Hey Maureen, this is Jack with eXp Realty. I work with Ted. I want to show you Unit 539 over at Edgewater Arms. This is the living room. You can see it's got brand new windows. It's got a newer kitchen. You'll see more of that in just a second. This is the windows. It's on the northeast corner of the building. So this is the view of the marina. You can see all the marina and a little bit of the water, but you also get a lot of road noise from the unit. Even with the new windows. Here we go into the kitchen, and as you can see, it is updated. They've got newer appliances, newer cabinetry. Some of the units still have the original 1972 cabinetry, so this has been updated. Got a nice little pantry back there as well. Nice breakfast nook. It's got tile in the second bedroom. And some windows that you can see the park. You can't so much see the marina from there. And this is the master. Again, mostly views of the park. Carpet in the floor, and then a detached bath. Detached bath has got some kind of laminate counters and cabinetry and separate shower and toilet area. This is the lobby down there in that same building. That looks out toward the pool. There's the pool. Now, there's no washer and dryer in the unit. They do have a laundry room. And this is from the deck, and there's the clubhouse. There's another view, so you can see the clubhouse there. Good view, wide open view of the intercoastal there, with Honeymoon Island. Lots of boat traffic today, and not many people out on the dock. There's the marina. And we're back again. I'd like to take lots of water shots. What can I say? I like the water also. There it is. There's the courtyard where the pool is. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.